Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics Day Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. And our today's topic is word problems 1. Today's topic is word problems 1 and our today's lesson number 34. In this class, today we will solve total 2 word problems. At first, we will solve word problems C. I am reading the question, you are told to listen the question carefully. Here the question is, Shukumar gets TK 90 per month as scholarship. He gave Reena TK 95 from his 12 months scholarship. How much money remains with him? Here, given that Shukumar gets TK 90 per month and he gave Reena 2 TK 95 from his 12 months scholarship. So, at first you have to find out the amount of taka of 12 months. Here, amount of 1 month given. So, at first you have to find out how much taka did Shukumar get in 12 months. Then we have to subtract 95 from that. Okay, let us start. In 1 month, Shukumar get TK 90. Therefore, in 12 months, Shukumar get TK, it will be 12 times of 90. So, we have to multiply 90 by 12 is equal to, here 90 multiplication 12. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 nines are 80. Again, we have to take 0 in 1th place. Now, 1 zeros are 0 and 1 nines are 9. If we add, then it will be 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and 8 plus 0 equal to 8. Now, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Total 1080 taka. TK 1080. Now, we have to subtract 95 from TK 1080. In total, Shukumar gets TK 1080. He gave to Reena TK 95. Now we have to subtract. Here 0 minus 5 not possible, so we have to consider it as 10. Now 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. We have to consider it as 7. Now 7 minus 9 not possible, so we have to consider it as 17. Now 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Now we have to consider it as 9. So 9 will come here. So it will be TK 985. Therefore, remains with him remains with him TK 985, and answer will be TK 985. Okay, dear students, we have finished our C number word problems. Now we will solve D number word problems. Here the question is, Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. From them, she kept 8 balloons for her. Remaining balloons were given equally among 7 friends. How many balloons does Tahmina's each friend get? Total balloons 50. From 50 balloons, she kept for her 8 balloons. So at first we have to subtract 8 from 50. Then if we subtract 8 from 50, then it will be 42. And these 42 balloons are given equally among 7 friends. That means we have to divide 42 by 7. Then we can reach our destination. Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. She kept for her for her 8 balloons. We have to subtract. Therefore, number of remaining balloon. If we subtract 50 minus 8 is equal to 42. Now we have to distribute these 42 balloons equally among 7 friends. That means 7 friends get 42 balloons, therefore 1 friend gets. Have to divide. Now 7 friends get 42 balloons. Therefore, 1 friend gets 42 divided by 7 balloons. If we divide 42 by 7, then we have to count the times tables of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, and 7 sixes are 42. If we give 6 times, then we can get 62, 42, and remainder will be 0. So it will be 6 balloons. Answer will be 6 balloons. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.